Everybody's eating. Guys, look there. Look there. You see that? You see that? You're eating. You ever hear about the dog with the bone? Did you hear about the dog with the bone? Huh? You just hear the fridge open and you're automatically over here. Don't you, Sarah, come over here. What's wrong with you guys? You gonna lose your bone, boy. Guys, my cats minding their own business. This is Sarah. She minding her own business. She's on the tabletop. And over here we have Little Miss and her babies. They're asleep. And we have Mr. Focus camera. And we have Mr. over there drinking water. See, everybody minding their own business. I'm gonna mind my own business in my fridge too. But guess what? Look what happens. What happened? What is this? What happened? What? I just go to my fridge. What is it? What is it? You ain't have no business in my fridge. No business there, man. You have no business in my fridge. What happened? What you going there for? There's nothing in there for you, man. Come out. Guys, like, comment, subscribe. This is just a short video that's showing you what happened when I open my fridge or when I go in the kitchen sometimes. This is what happened. They bomb rush me. And guys, we are out. Tell the people bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Tell them bye. Tell them bye. Oh. Sir. Tell the people bye. Yes, bye people. Tell them bye, y'all. Tell them bye. Tell them bye. Say bye-bye. Tell them bye-bye now. Alright. Bye, guys.